Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see send friend request on Facebook. To get started, firstly you need to open the Facebook app on a device. And next is you need to select the friends icon in the bottom. And from here what you need to do is you need to select this friend request in the top. And after that, in the top right corner again there's this three dot icon, select that. And from here you need to select this view send request in the bottom. And that is it. Here you can see the send friend request on Facebook, and if something hasn't accepted or declined your request yet, they'll appear in this list. And that is it. That is how you can see your friend request on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.